Here, so today we are going to talk about a very well-known problem on resultant of two vectors. It says that find the magnitude and direction of the resultant of two vectors A and B in terms of their magnitude and angle theta between them. Right? So let us start to understand it. So let us assume that there is a vector A and B, right? And they are making an angle theta with each other, and then you draw a resultant R which is making an angle alpha with respect to A, right? Now you want a relation between AB, alpha and theta, right? So AB, R and theta and alpha, right? So let us try to understand it. Right? Right? So we can say that this is O, this is P, S, Q, R, right? And let us take another point, which is you can call as M, right? Now we are assuming that this angle is theta, this is also theta, and this angle is beta, right? Now to find the relation between these two, first we will use the triangle. This O, Q, S, right? So in triangle, this is simple geometric relation we are trying to derive. In triangle OQS, so you know that by using the Pythagoras theorem that OQ square is nothing but OS square and SQ square, right? So OQ square is OS square plus SQ square, right? Now, what is OS? So OS is nothing but OP plus PS, right? Plus SQ square, right? Now, if you look at it very carefully, right, then you will see that SQ is nothing but, if this is vector B, this is also vector B, this is vector A, this is vector A, right? So this is vector B, it means that B, this is B sine alpha, cos theta, and this is B sine theta, right? B cos theta, B sine theta, and B cos theta. Right? Just like that. So this is B cos theta, and now this is what? What is this? This is A. So this is A plus B cos theta. So OP is A, and PS is B cos theta. Right? And SQ is B sin theta. Right? So just try to simplify it using the trigonometric identity. AB cos theta plus B square sin theta, right? Now just take B square common. It will give you A square plus cos square theta plus sin square theta, right? Plus 2AB cos theta, right? Now what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? As we know that it is 1, right? So this gives you nothing but A square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, right? Now what is OQ square? OQ is nothing but R. So it means this is your R square, right? So what exactly you are getting is nothing but R square is A square plus B square plus 2AB sin theta, right? So it means that R is root A square plus B square plus 2AB sin theta, right? So this is one relation we have found. Now let us try to establish a relation between alpha and theta. Now to do that, we will further try to solve it, right? Basically try to find the relation between other triangles and their sides. So let us first try to calculate this one. If you take this triangle, in triangle OSQ and PSQ, what is SQ in both? So SQ is, in one by one, SQ is what? What is SQ? It is alpha, this is R, so this is R cos alpha and this is R sin alpha, right? So this is R sin alpha, right? And if you take PQS, this is B sin theta in triangle PQS, SQ is B sin theta, right? So what do you find? That R sin alpha is B sin theta. It means that R by sin theta is B by sin alpha. That is one relation we have. Now let us calculate another common side using these two. So PM, right? So let us use PM. So in triangle, OPM what you will see that it is PM equals to A cos alpha and A sin alpha. Right? This is A sin alpha and this is A and this is A cos alpha. Right? Now in triangle, this one, which is QM, what is this side? This is nothing but sin beta. Right? What is this sin beta? It is B sin beta. This is B. B sin beta is this, and cos beta is this. So Pm is B sin beta. Right? Sorry, the beta. Now, just to simplify it further, so it means that A sin alpha equals to B sin beta, implying right A by sin beta is B by sin alpha. Now you can see this is the second relation, this is one. So you can see there is a relation between B by sin alpha, A by sin beta. It means that A can be calculated as A by sin beta equals to R by sin theta equals to B by sin alpha. Right? Now if you want to calculate A and B in terms of R, so A can be written as R sin beta upon sin theta, right? And B can be written as R sin alpha divided by sin theta. Sorry. Right? So A and B is there. Now, the relation between alpha and beta can be calculated as using this. Tan alpha is this divided by this, right? Which is QS divided by OS. What is QS? It is, what is QS? It is nothing but B sin theta, right? Divided by A plus B cos theta, right? So tan alpha is this divided by this. Now this is already as calculated as B sin theta, and this is calculated as A plus B cos theta. So this tan alpha gives you B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. So these are some of the relations for resultant of two vectors, right? Making some angle theta between each other, right? So you can note it down, and if you have any query regarding it, you can write in the comment section. Please do like and subscribe. Now let us take a simple example to understand what we derived just before, right? Resultant of two vectors. So a nice example is a motorboat is racing towards north at 25 km per hour, and the water current in region is 10 km per hour in the direction of 60 degrees east of south, right? Find the resultant velocity of the boat. So let us try to solve it and understand this problem, right? So it is saying that motorboat is moving in the north. Let us take this as a north direction, right? So you can write it as velocity of boat as dv. This you can take as east, west, and south, right? It is saying that 60 degree 60 east to the south, right? 60 degree east, this is 60 degree, right? And this is V current. Now it is asked what is the resultant. Let us assume that this is the resultant. Now this resultant is making some angle here and this some angle, right? Now there is an angle phi here, which the resultant, velocity of the boat makes with the resultant velocity, and this is angle theta, which is the angle between, theta is the angle between, this is theta, between two vectors, right, VB and VC. Now if this is 60, it means the theta is nothing but 120 degree, right? So let us start first calculate the resultant. The resultant will be R square is nothing but using the same formula. The resultant of the resultant velocity what is it? Of the boat is R square, R is BB square, so BC square plus 2BB and angle between, this is cos of 120 degree, right? Now it is given as 25 and 10. Just put here 25 square plus 10 square plus 2 into 25 into 10, which is giving you 25 into 10 is 250 multiplied by 500, and cos 120 is 1 by 2 with the minus sign, right? Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, right? Which is cos 60 degree. Minus cos 60 degree, right? So it gives you minus 250, and this is 625 plus 100. The 625 plus 100 is 725 minus 250, right? Is 475. Right? So you can take some approximation. It will be like 70, 80, 20, yeah, it is somewhere 22, 23 like that. So you can calculate it, root 475, by making pairs, right? And then once we have this, which is the resultant velocity and kilometer per hour. Now let us go to Earth and try to calculate the direction. So what is direction? The direction can be calculated as by calculating the relation between theta and phi. So using the sine rule, we can write that R divided by sine theta VC divided by sine phi. Right? So sine phi is what? It is VC sine theta divided by R. Now what is VC? It is 10 into sine 120 degree divided by this root 475. Now sine 120 is Sin 9 plus 90 plus 30 is cos 30 degree. And what is cos 30 degree? It is root 3 by 2, right? 10 root 3 by 2 divided by this. Now, so it is 5 root 3 divided by root 475. So it is somewhere, so 5 will be sine inverse of the same. Right? Now, you can simplify it by dividing it by 25, 5. So 5 is giving you 9 and then 25. Right? 9 and 5. So it is 5 multiplied by root 95, which is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 19. Or it can be written as 5 divided by root 19. Right? So sine inverse root 3 by 90. Which will, this is somewhere 22 or some degrees, like that. This is one simple example of how you can calculate find the resultant of two vectors, both magnitude and direction. Right? So hope you will be able to solve similar problems based on the result we have derived and the example we have discussed, and we will come up with more number of problems in upcoming lectures. Thank you.